Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to a second video of Puchy's Ornament Hop for the month of December. Remember to check out all these ladies' videos. I will link all their channels down below and their Instagrams. There's a group of very talented ladies in this hop, you guys, so check them out. And then don't forget to like and comment on their videos and also on mine in order to enter on our giveaways. My giveaway is a $25 PayPal, so please don't forget to comment on the video and like the video so you will be entered, and by the end of the hop we'll pick a winner. Okay, so I picked up these ornaments at Dollar Tree. These are plastic and these are by Crafter Square. These were $1. You get 2 of these. Okay, and then I used this cord. It's a really pink cord from Hobby Lobby, and this is what it's called Quartz Cotton Craft Cord. Okay, and it was $3.99 back then. I don't know if it's a little bit more expensive this time around, since I did pick up a while back. I used this scissors from Fiskars, and these are the design that I used. Okay, and also I did use this die, and this is from Urban Gems. I will link her store down below. She has a lot of really cute mini dies. I did use this die for my last ornament, so you guys want to check her out. This is her card right here, and that's her website, Urban Gems. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with her store. And then the glue I like to use is this Beacon 3-in-1. I really love using this glue. Okay, I did also use some gold glitter paper, and I think this is from Joann's. I usually pick up when it's on sale. And then other paper I use is this Marigold by Crepe Paper, and this is the High Note. And this is double-sided. I did use this side right here. And then I have some little gold bells that I use as well. These were from Joann's. I think I picked up a while back. And then my little bow die I did use again. This is from Pink and Maine, and I did use the smallest size. Okay, so this is from Pink and Maine website. Okay. So here's my ornament. Let me show you. Let me get this stuff out of the way. So here she is. So I did do a sequin mix on here, and I did add some, it's like a chunky glitter. I don't know if you can see. And then I did add some of those gold glitter. They're like little foam balls, I think, and they were from the Dollar Tree. I think they had them a while back. Not sure if they still have them. And this is the die that I was talking to you guys about from Tara's store. And there's a little bow from Pink and Maine. I did use some gold, it's like little rocks. I think that's what it's like. They're metal. They're like heavy metal glitter, I think. I'm not sure what you call it, you guys. Sorry. So here's the little strips of paper I used. This is that crepe paper. I did use my scissors, like I said. I cut some strips, and that's how they cut. So I just, you know, cut a couple of strips from the glitter cardstock and the paper, and then just glued them on there one by one. Okay. I did add some of that string and put some of those little jingle bells there. Okay, at the end of the string there. Okay, I did use 4, so this would go like that. And then I did spray paint my top right there. Okay, and the mix, I don't know if you can see it pretty good, but it's just a little Christmas mix that I made. Okay, so that's it for my video, you guys. I hope you guys were inspired and like this ornament that I made. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will catch you next Saturday for our next video. Okay, take care. Bye.